Hey kiddo, did you know that a long, long time ago, a lady named Jane Taylor wrote a poem called The Star? The poem was so good that people started singing it to a tune already composed by Mozart. Kids all over the world loved the song so much that they still sing it today. So whenever you see a bright twinkling star at night, remember that it's just like the star in the poem that Miss Taylor wrote. And now, you can learn to play it on the piano. Isn't that amazing?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines upon, then you shine your little light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
If you would like to learn more songs like this, please remember to ask your mommy or daddy to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.